This World Migratory Bird Day, we're celebrating birds and the technologies scientists use to study their migrations. One of the ways we gather information about migration is bird banding. Scientists use bands with unique codes to identify individual birds. When banded birds are found, we can learn about that individual's health, age, and where it's been. This also helps us to understand more about an entire species. For example, Mark recapture methods use bird banding to estimate population sizes. Mark recapture methods are usually used when it would be really hard or even impossible to individually count all of the members of a group. Instead, scientists will capture birds safely in the wild and then mark them with bands. After they've recorded information about the bird, like its age, weight, or condition, all of the birds are released. On another day, scientists will repeat this to see how many of the originally banded birds are recaptured. Over time, these methods can help scientists to estimate population sizes and to see changes in population. To better understand how Mark recapture methods estimate population sizes, try this activity.
You will need a collection of items. This can be anything you might find around the house. Toys, scraps of paper, feel free to get creative. You will also need a box, bag, or container that fits all of your items and some way to mark individual items. For example, a marker or stickers. Begin by placing all of the items in the box. I'm going to use rocks. This is our entire population. We are curious about how many items there are. Okay, now take a large handful out of the box. This is our first sample. Count the items you removed and record this number as M for marked. Then, mark the items in the sample. I'm going to use stickers. Once I've marked all of my items, I will return them to the box and mix them together again. Now, without looking, take another large handful. This is our second sample. Count the items and record this number as C. Now, sort the items into marked and unmarked. Count the marked items. These are the individuals we recaptured, so record this number as R. Okay, we are ready to estimate the total number of items in our population. Using the data we recorded and the following equation, P equals M times C divided by R, solve for P, our total population. Now, count all of the items. How accurate was your estimate? We'd love to see your own results. What collections can you gather and estimate at home?